The most valuable job of the next 5 years doesn't require a single line of code. Jason Calacanis, the guy who turned $25,000 into $100 million on Uber, just described a role he's calling the agent maestro. And when I first heard it, I thought it sounded made up. But then I looked at what's actually happening inside companies right now, and it clicked. So I work in operations. I've spent years mapping out workflows, fixing broken processes, basically being the person who figures out why things fall apart between departments. Last month, my company started testing AI agents for the first time. Not chatbots, actual agents that can pull data, send follow-ups, route approvals, handle invoices. The kind of stuff that used to take 3 people in a shared spreadsheet. Here's what nobody expected. The engineers who built the agents had no idea how our actual business worked. They could wire up the tech, but they kept automating the wrong steps. The agents would send invoices to the wrong approver or skip a compliance check that only someone in operations would know about. It was a mess. So my manager asked me to step in, not to code anything, but to sit with the agents like they were new hires. I mapped out every decision point in our expense workflow, wrote plain language instructions, set the guardrails, and told the agent exactly when to stop and ask a human. Within 2 weeks, it was running 80% of Tier 1 approvals on its own. David Sachs, who co-hosts the All In podcast with Calacanis, said something that stuck with me. Every company has a massive change management problem with new technology. The person who can translate AI into workflows the company actually uses will build an extraordinary career. Here's the part that surprised me. I didn't learn a new skill. I just applied the one I already had. Understanding how a business actually runs turned out to be the thing nobody else at the table could do. The developers couldn't. The executives couldn't. The consultants definitely couldn't. If you're someone who's good at process, who thinks in systems, who's the person people come to when something breaks, you might already be qualified for the most important job that doesn't officially exist yet.